Let us see one more TET question. If mean of 7 observations x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 8, x plus 10 and x plus 12 is 11, then we need to find out mean of last 3 observations. So they have given 7 observations and their mean is 11. We need to find out mean of the last 3 observations. What is mean? Sum of observations by number of observations. What is sum of observations? 7x plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 by 7 is equal to 11. What is this? 7x plus 6, 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 30, 42. 42 by 7 equal to 11. 7 ones, 7 ones, 7 6. So x plus 6 equal to 11, x equal to 5. So x is 5, then what is the value of last 3 observations? 5 plus 8 is one observation, 5 plus 10 is one observation and 5 plus 12 is another observation. What is this one? 13, this is 15, this is 17. We need to find the mean of this, which is nothing but, what is 15 plus 13? 28. 28 plus 17? 45. 45 by 3, which is nothing but 3 ones are 3 ones and 3 5s, which is 15. So this is the answer.